Hola estudiantes, welcome to your Spanish 101 class. This is your instructor, Paulina Torres. I want to welcome all and each of you to our course. And I just wanted to do this quick video to introduce myself so you get to know me a little bit more. So again, my name is Paulina Torres. I was born and raised in Michoacán, Mexico. I came here when I was 15 years old, and then I went to Johansen High School, graduated, and then attended Modesto Junior College where I got my AA, and then transferred to CSU Stanislaus and I got my BA in Liberal Studies in Spanish from there. After that, I decided that I wanted to pursue my master's degree, which I did. I actually had the opportunity to study abroad for 1 year in Madrid in Spain. So if you actually have that opportunity to do that, that's something that I really recommend that you do. And after I came back, I finished my master's from CSU Sacramento. Then I decided that I wanted to go into translation and interpretation. I had been a medical interpreter for many years, and that's something that I really enjoy doing besides teaching. So I did that for a couple of years. I have teaching experience in adult school. Last year I did middle school and high school. And this year I'm working for a nonprofit here in Modesto as well as teaching this class. In my free time, I like to read, I like to travel, I like to work out. And so that's pretty much what I do when I'm not working. And so I just wanted to welcome again to our class. Please remember that even though learning a second language might be complicated or frustrated at times, just try your best. That's all that I ask for. I know firsthand that learning a second language can be really difficult at times, but we're here to help each other. Please let me know if there's anything I can do to assist you. If you have any questions or concerns regarding the material, I'll be more than happy to help you. So we're going to be spending a couple months together, and I hope to get to know all of you. And I wish you the best. You are doing an amazing thing for yourself now that you're trying to become bilingual. So I'm going to do my best to be able to help you out with that. So again, I want to welcome you to our class. And vamos. Thank you.